This is Traveler Rob, and I want to take a look now at my main backpack. Again, the mentality here for packing is a place for everything and everything in its place. So here's what I did. Like a lot of people, I used travel cubes. Highly recommend these. I actually went to a store, a physical brick and mortar store, it was an REI, and spent about 3 hours packing different bags, feeling what they felt like on my back, they had like little, almost like sandbags I could put inside of travel cubes and then pack the bag. So I did that to get a feel for the weight and how much space I'd need. Then I was able to order these. These happen to be Lewis and Clark bags, 2 smaller travel cubes and a larger travel cube there. You can also see I've got a bunch of other stuff in here, namely my toiletries bag. For that, I just grabbed a freezer bag, a Ziploc bag, and put that in there. This is just a raincoat in itself. Extra pair of shoes, of footwear. What would life be like without a shower and a bag? A Navy shower. And then I grabbed an oddity here. This was just for me for doing back exercises, for my posture. Something that I've struggled with for years because of computer use or swimming, that kind of stuff. This is just a band for doing back exercises. But I actually brought it with me on my vacation because it was worth filling a little space even here in my bag. That's the main compartments, the different things in the main stay here. Again, it was full, but it wasn't quite full. If you noticed, it was probably 90, maybe 85% of the way full. So the mentality I'm trying to work with here is 80% full is 100% functional. So that's the main bag. And again, this is Traveler Rob.